I don't know what I'm doing. That's why I must. I'll do it later. I'll figure it out later. Okay. We'll start here. Phase 2, not knowing what I'm doing. Bing! Never seen that before. Well, I'm going to go get some parts, which really wasn't planned. There was some things that didn't go well, like they're supposed to. These little things. Well, one of them's not that long, and so I got to get a couple of those. But otherwise, I'm not sure this has any chance of starting, but I'm getting pretty close to putting it back in. Okay, bye. I will not be undersold.